Do you ever hear voices? I don't necessarily mean big booming voices that you hear with your ears, but just maybe more like telepathic knowingness that comes from inside yourself. A lot of people are experiencing that. And it's really, really important that you find a place of comfort with that and that you stop resisting it if you have been resisting it. Because this is your source of inner wisdom. And whether it comes from your own higher self or whether it comes in some way, like telepathically from outside yourself, from another source, it doesn't really matter. It does matter whether the source is a clean source, a pure source. And it's difficult to know until you've weeded out the junk from inside. Because your subconscious is layered with old programs that you got from other people as you were growing up. And especially during the first 7 years before your frontal lobe really kicked in. So in the RMA Mystery School and Vibrational Healing Certification Program during the first year, this is one of the things that I teach. It's called Core Belief Reprogramming, where we identify the old dysfunctional core beliefs and we take you through a process. This takes a good hour and a half. We take you through a process of identifying them and so we have this incredible process called Core Belief Reprogramming. And what we do is we identify what all of those old dysfunctional core beliefs are. And then we work with the part of your subconscious mind that holds those beliefs. And we help that part to see that it has been trying to protect you and make you a good person by holding on to those beliefs. And it doesn't know that you are grown up. It doesn't know that you have a whole life of your own and beliefs of your own. It's still stuck in the past and trying to help you with the old stuff that came from other people. It doesn't understand your true essential nature. So in this process, we work with the subconscious mind and help it bring it up to date and help it to see what the current situation is and to find a job that it can hold instead of that old job, to find a new job that it can hold to actually help you to be the person that you want to be. So once you go through this process, then it's pretty amazing because then you can engage your inner voice and know that you can trust it because it's only going to be producing stuff that really is related to your true essence. And the old junk is going to be completely gone. Wouldn't you like to have a newly remodeled subconscious mind? I'll tell you, it is an incredible gift. See you tomorrow.